Hello once again. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot for joining us. My name is Charles Barthelemy, the CEO of Barthelemy Commercial Capital. What I want to do today is I want to just touch on a new program that we just rolled out, which is phenomenal. This has to be one of the, if not the best working capital programs that we've rolled out in the past 15 years. And I really do sincerely mean that. So without further ado, let me just take a quick minute. I'm not going to be long to tell you about this program. In the past, even probably 12, 24 months ago, most of our partners, including ourselves, would not take a second lien position, let alone a third lien position on a commercial real estate property. Now, that means whatever type of commercial real estate involving brick and mortar, not just the business, but the actual real estate itself. We have a program to whereas any type of business that you own, now I want to be very clear on this, any type of business that you own that real estate is associated with that particular business. What that means is that not only do you own the business, but you also own the real estate, the brick and mortar. Any type of business. Now, as long as this business has a positive cash flow, we will actually grant up to $350,000 in working capital. Now, you're probably saying, well, Charles, I already got a first mortgage on it. I also got a second mortgage on it. Okay, that's no problem. That's no problem at all. As long as the property has a positive cash flow once we do the numbers. Now, let me explain to you real quick what I mean by positive cash flow. That company has to be profitable. Meaning that company has to be able to pay not only that first mortgage on a monthly basis, that company also has to be able to pay the second mortgage, okay? And whatever dollar amount that we approve here at Barthelemy Commercial Capital, that company has to be able to pay that as well and have a debt ratio, once we do all the calculations, of 1.25. Okay, so as long as that company has a positive cash flow, once we add that new loan, whether that's $350,000, $125,000, whatever that number may be, we will actually grant that loan because this loan is really not securitized. It's not. So we're not really going to be in a third position. Okay, it's really an unsecured loan, and we're basing, okay, our decision on the borrower. Don't get me wrong, the borrower has to be a good borrower and they have to have good credit, but we're also basing our decision on that particular business's cash flow. That business has to have a positive cash flow. As long as the business has a positive cash flow, once we do our numbers, no worries. We will be able to actually grant that loan. Now, this process can take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks before the actual loan is funded, which is, you know, in this day and time is considerably a short period of time, seeing that the average loan on the commercial side can range anywhere from 60 to 120 days to 6 months, depending on the size of that actual loan and depending on the complexity of that loan. So with that being said, I just want to roll that program out there because, we're just really excited here at Barthelemy Commercial Capital about that program. And we've got a lot of questions and a lot of requests for that program. So I want to just give you a little bit of clarity as far as it's concerned. So with that being said, if you have any other further questions, you can always feel free to contact us at 404-860-1770. You can also go to our website, which is bccfinance.com. Once again, I would like to thank everyone for joining us. Until next time, we'll talk soon. Thank you.